How to post video on Instagram, not Reel. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different icons. Click on this plus icon. With that, your gallery will open up. Now at the bottom right, you're going to find different options as post, story, reel and live. Set it to post, then select the video that you want to upload. After you select the video, click on next. Now at the top, you're going to find different options. Using these options, you can easily edit this video. You can add filters, likewise you can add sound. You can add stickers. Once you are done with the editing part, click on next. Now from here, you can add a caption or add a poll to your video. Likewise, you can tag people, set the audience, add location. Once you are done, click on the option of share. And just with that, you are uploading the video in your Instagram instead of Reel. So this way you can easily upload video on Instagram, not Reel. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.